beautifully light, beautifully creamy scrambled egg. Eggs! Let's get cracking. Cracking these in a bowl because I want to make sure there's nothing wrong with them. We're going to season them with a little bit of fleur de sel, a little bit of pepper. This is the way I like my eggs. And then maybe a tablespoon of whipping cream. We give it a little mix. Bring everything together. Now follow me to the stove. So a heaping spoon of butter, we're gonna melt it. And you say you're not using a non-stick pan. I don't need to use a non-stick pan. And I'll show you why. Once the butter starts foaming, that's when you'll pour in your eggs. On medium heat, you stir. You're constantly stirring. Then you let it set, and then you stir. Now some people like them baveuses, so a little bit wet. Others like them a little bit more dry. I like mine delicious. And here you have it. Follow me back to the table and we'll plate this up. There you have it. No sticking. Beautifully light, beautifully creamy scrambled eggs. Bon appetit.